Go 2013. Got a little Melty helping Daddy. Okay. Oh, that's too much now. Go ahead, get the hood over there. Let me see. Starting at 4 years old. Get that snow off. It's a lot of snow out here.
Yeah. It's time to get this workout over here.
Trying to get that workout over there?
Yep.
Make sure everybody, all this snow, look, all this snow. It's mommy's new car.
Big pile of snow. I'll get even
Did this
stronger.
early. Yeah, you get even stronger. Look a little Melty out here shoveling that snow. Get that snow off. It's a lot of snow, right, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, that's
Maybe I should put the big piles of little snow, right?
yeah, little snow. Getting it done out here. Okay. Alright, guys, they see you later. I'm about to take it off. We gotta finish shoveling the snow. I gotta finish off here. Say, I love you, everybody.
I love you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Look at the camera.
I love you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Alright. We gotta get this snow going. Alright, see you guys later.